Hello friends, it's Nails by Rey and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare my nails to do my Gel X nail sets. It's kind of also the same as what I do to prepare for polygel nails. So we're just going to get right into it. I am using my cuticle pusher to push back my cuticles. And this cuticle pusher is dual-sided, so on the other side is a scraper tool and I use that to scrape off any excess gel, colors, any product that may be still on my skin, sorry, not my skin, my nails, and just anything that is kind of not supposed to be there. This part is completely optional and you only have to do it if you want to, but I like to go in with my cuticle clippers and just cut off the excess cuticles. When you do this part, just be very careful. Work very slowly so that you don't cut too deep and too far and then cause yourself to bleed. Next, I am using my hand file. This hand file is a 180 grit. And I'm just going to use this to file the surface of the nail because I might have some extra product on the rest of my nail away from the cuticle area. After filing, I'm using my buffing block to buff out all of the scratches that I just created on my nail. So before I glue on my nail tips, I'm gonna go in with my nail prep dehydrator to dry out the nails. Your nails naturally produce some oil, so this is just what I use this for, and it dries so fast. If you don't want to buy a nail prep dehydrator, you can just use isopropyl alcohol, and that active ingredient with the alcohol will dry up your nails. So now that my nails are all prepped, I'm going to show you how I glue on my nail tips. I have these short coffin nail tips that I got from Temu, and these are more of a medium size, so I will refer to them as medium, but the box does say short. I sized all of my nail tips off camera, so I'm just showing you what they look like. I'm using my flash cure lamp from Saviland that I got from Amazon, and I'm also using my Saviland tip extend gel. I've been really loving this extend gel for my Gel X nails, as well as the solid extend gel that comes with Saviland's kit, because it's so easy to apply, and it's also easy to remove because it comes with a remover spray that loosens up the gel product, so it's easy to remove and keeps your nails healthy after you remove them. I'm just applying a little amount of the gel onto the nails, and I try not to flood the sides of the nail too much, because when I pressed the nail onto my own natural nails, the glue will kind of push out through the side walls, and then it could become very messy. So for me, this took a few tries to get right, but once I realized essentially what would happen if I added too much gel, I then changed my application process to adding less gel. And then once I'm satisfied with where I placed the nail, I'm going to cure under my nail lamp, and this flash cure lamp cures it for 20 seconds. So the last thing I'm going to do is use my hand file again, and I'm going to just file parts of the nail just to make it more defined, and I'm focusing a lot on the tip because I want it to be pretty straight before I start applying my gel polish colors. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.